I love Todd Phillips. I'll tell you why I love Todd Phillips. You know who Todd Phillips is, right? The Hangover director.
Hangover, Joker. Yeah.
Joker. So for me, like when I see Todd Phillips, he did this like super funny movie, what a Hangover series, and it this
Yes.
Project X, which is all party, drinking, and fun and stuff. And then
Yeah.
snap of a finger, he did War Dogs, which is like a serious like war movie. There was a little bit of comedy element in that, but
Yeah.
damn, like then he comes up with Joker, which is the most one of the dark themed movie, right?
Yes.
So when you see the evolution of directors like that, I feel like wow, he's just a born genius, right?
Yeah.
I really look up to Todd Phillips. Try to see all the behind the scenes video of what he does and how he breaks down a scene. Of course, like Martin Scorsese, the OG of the director,
Yeah.
all his
Yeah.
movies amazing. Who else? Of course, James Cameron, Steven
Yes.
Spielberg,
Yeah.
right?
I think James Cameron is skilled in an entirely different way. He knows how to deliver a good cinema. Like, it's not about the story. He wants people to sit in a theater and he wants to give them like this grandiose experience that you can never watch anywhere else. Like, you can never even perceive with your wildest of your imaginations. He wants to give you this visual experience, because of which his movies gross the highest, right? Like Avatar 2 is, I think, currently the most like highest grossing movie in the world. So he gives you this wonderful experience, and he knows how to get people into the theaters and onto the seats, right? Because that's a challenge that a lot of directors are facing these days.
Especially these days with all these streaming platform coming in, right?
It's because like you have to convince someone that, hey, you need to spend how many ever dollars to go to the movie theater, spend it and experience it over there. Because even the audience at this point knows, if I wait for 3 months, the movie is going to come in HD on some or the other streaming service. So the audience is like, you know what, if the movie doesn't have a good enough rating, or if the plot is not intriguing enough, I'm not going to go out there. But of course, if a really good story and a really good director can change that. Like, they can make sure
Yeah,
people come and
definitely.